In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a Discord verification system using SecurityBot. If you do find this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tips like this. It really does help with the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. First things first, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is minimize out of Discord and open up a web browser of your choice. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this. You can use whatever you would like, but go ahead and navigate to securitybot.gg and hit enter. And it's going to go ahead and take you to a page that looks something like this. Go ahead and click on this add security bot option, and it's going to go ahead and automatically open up Discord, and you'll be able to select the server that you want it to apply to. Go ahead and hit continue and then hit authorize. And as you can see, the security bot did just join. Now, once the security bot is in your server, what you're going to want to go ahead and do in any text channel is go ahead and hit the text box down at the bottom and go ahead and type in -verification enable, and then go ahead and select this and then hit enter, and this is going to begin activating that verification system. Next, we're going to go ahead and create that channel where the users will verify themselves. Go ahead and type in the following -verification setup _ channel right here, and then go ahead and hit enter. As you can see, it'll create that verification channel for you. And finally, we're going to choose that verification method by typing in -verification type just like so, and then hit enter. And then for this type section, go ahead and either select like web captcha, captcha code, or one-click verification. I'm going to go ahead and choose one-click verification for this example, but you could choose whatever you would like. Go ahead and hit enter, and it's going to go ahead and think for a second, and then it'll say it has been set. And as you can see, it's been set in here now. And now you're going to want to go ahead and create the role that users will get after verifying. To do this, click on your server name up in the top left, go to server settings, and then find roles within here. And essentially go ahead and create that role. Now, I already have this role created. I'm just going to go ahead and show you my settings for it. Essentially, just go ahead and click edit, type in like verified or something, and then go ahead and change the color, and then select the permissions just like so. And you can customize these however you would like. Finally, go back to a text channel and go ahead and type in -verification set verified, and then hit role here, and then type in that verified role, and then hit enter. Now, when someone joins your server, they can go to the verification channel, click verify, and instantly get access. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.